In this video, I will provide an overview of how to use the proxy function in Editorial Manager. What is a proxy function? Editors may occasionally perform tasks on behalf of an author, reviewer, or editor in Editorial Manager, EM. This is known as proxy. This capability is typically granted to certain editor roles, depending on journal settings and permissions. There are two ways to proxy on behalf of another user in EM, either from the details screen of a submission, or from the Search People results page. Both give the same result. Let us now explore the process of proxying from the Search People results page. To proxy from the Search People screen, select the Search People link in the Editor main menu. Enter the relevant search criterion, for example first or last name, and select the search button. Users are listed with those roles available for proxy highlighted in yellow in the search results. Select the yellow highlighted role name to proxy as the user in that role. The second method of proxying is from the details page of any submission. Select the details link and scroll down to the relevant section, for example authors or invited reviewers. Users related to the submission will have a yellow highlighted link after their name if you have the option to proxy on their behalf in this role. For example, if you have proxy permission for authors, then the corresponding author will have an link after their name. If you do not have proxy permissions for editors, then the editor names will not have proxy links. Select the yellow highlighted proxy link to proxy as the user. The page reloads with the main menu of the proxied user. A yellow banner appears under the top menu, with the name and role being proxied. The banner remains throughout the proxy session. On the right side of the top navigation bar, your name is now replaced by that of the person you have proxied for. You can now navigate through the menu and act on behalf of the user. If you attempt an action not available in proxy mode, such as update my information, a security warning message will appear. Select main menu to continue in proxy mode, or exit proxy to go back to your own account. If the user has multiple roles, and you have permission to proxy for those roles, then you can use the role drop-down in the top navigation bar to switch between roles, just as you would in your own account. When finished, select Exit Proxy in the top navigation banner to return to your own account. You will be returned to the same screen from which you entered proxy mode. What limitations are there on proxy mode? You can only proxy for those roles for which you have permission. Only users who have completed registration, and specifically accepted the terms and privacy policy, are eligible to be proxied. When proxying for a user, you will not be able to edit the user's account details using Update My Information. View the username or password. Use any administrative functions that user may have access to. Proxy into a second user's account. This is how you can utilize the proxy function in Editorial Manager. Please visit the Journal Article Publishing Support Center should you require further information. Thank you for watching.